Hi guys, welcome to my video. Our video for today guys about hair care routine for healthy and shiny hair. Kung paano yung buhok natin ipaging healthy and shiny din siya. So you can use guys coconut milk. Like my hair guys, as you can see, napaka healthy and shiny din siya guys. So guys, ang ginagamit ko guys, coconut milk. So panoorin nyo guys kung paano mag-use ng coconut milk. So ganito siya guys. So, ito lang guys, coconut milk as you can see. Natural guys, walang halo. So, panoorin niyo guys kung paano mag-use sa kanya. So, ganito siya guys. Ganyan siya guys. Imikos-mikos mo siya guys. Ganyan, imikos-mikos. And then guys, after that guys, pagkatapos ka na guys mag-use, bibigyan mo lang siya time. Mga 30 to 40 minutes pwede na siya. And then, pagkatapos na guys, pwede ka na maligo. So, nandoon nakita mong resulta kung kaano siya mag-healthy and shiny din siya. So guys, pero kapag nag-use kayo guys, every morning siya, around 6 to 7 AM pwede ka mag-use. So, kapag tapos kayo guys mag-use, bibigyan mo siya time, mga 30 to 40 minutes, and then before ka maligo. So, nandoon yung nakita mong resulta kung kaano siya maging healthy and shiny din siya. So guys, so hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you for watching and God bless.